So now I've got to figure out what my common difference is when I'm given two different points. So right here I'm told that my third term is 24 and my 10th term is 80, and I want to find my common difference. So if I know this, I know my third term is 24. So again, that means that for n equals 3, t of 3 is 24. So my third term is 24. And then for n equals 10, t of 10 is 80. So my 10th term is 80. And so when we were finding our common differences before, I did t of 2 minus t of 1. And I did t of 3 minus t of 2, and t of 4 minus t of 3, and so on and so forth to find my common difference. But this time I'm given two terms, and we know that there's a whole bunch of stuff in between it. We know. And so we're going to start the same. So the first thing that I'm going to make sure I do is I'm going to do t of 10 minus t of 3. And when I do t of 10 minus t of 3, then I know I'm going to have 80 minus 24. And so if you do that, you're going to get that my overall change from term 3 to term 10, so the overall increase, the net increase, is going to be 56. So as I counted up from my third term to my 10th term, I went up a total of 56. My term value increased by 56. But I need to find out what my common difference is. So how was my sequence increasing from the third term to the fourth term and the fourth term to the fifth term? Well, the way that we would do that is we would want to take our net increase and we want to divide it by our term numbers increase. So we have the net increase for our term value, and I want to divide that by the increase in our terms. So to find the difference of our terms, I've got the 10th term and the third term. So the 10th term minus my third term, and that's going to give me 7, because 10 minus 3 is 7. And so when I do 56 divided by 7, that means that I'm going to get a common difference of positive 8. So every single time that my term number increased by 1, my term value increased by 8. And to check it, we're going to write out our sequence. So I know that my third term is 24. So then my fourth term is going to be 32. My fifth term is going to be 40. My sixth term is going to be 48. My seventh term is going to be 56. My eighth term is going to be 64. My ninth term is going to be 72. And then my 10th term is going to be 80. So I've got my third term, which we were given, my 10th term, which we were given. We know that we had 7 terms of increase, so there were 6 terms in between, but then we had our 7th jump. So we took our overall net increase from 24 to 80, which was 56, divided it by 7, and found that our common difference was 8.